Tubana mucemanio wa Disaster Preparedness and Response Committee iria koretwo ikicemania ni undu wa kwigita na maundu maria maroka marehetwo ni ugwati wa mbura na kumenya uria andu meguikara na uria tukuhota gutara andu na kumenya uria andu aria mangikorwo mena thina ucio urehetwo ni mbura uria tungihota kumathamia kumeiga wega na kumahe relief.
Take this opportunity for us to thank Her Excellency the Governor, Kirinyaga County and her team. We have been able to move very fast as a team to respond to situations in Kirinyaga County. We were able to move very fast with the help of the county government to unclog and block all the rivers and the waterways so that we can have our water move out. We have been having a meeting since morning to identify areas that are prone to disasters and the situations of our dams, as the Deputy Governor has said, and also find out how many of our people are affected, what we can do, and the situation as it is now, and what we need to do. So we have done that as a county. We are happy that our dams are safe and our people are safe.